Okay guys, we're gonna do another video. We're gonna be taking pictures of the Evo.
Oh shit, Evo gang. Let's see. Let's see these angles, guys. Whoa.
Can't even see.
Yeah, hold on. Not bad. First little shot. Many more to go. I don't know.
It just sucks that it stopped raining.
I know. Well, who knows? Maybe. Look at the skies. Look at the little. It might rain again, you know?
I don't know. I checked the weather and it said it's.
Really?
Yeah. Like, look, it's like getting the sun.
I just hope I don't get stuck here, guys. Yo, this is sketchy.
Nah, I think you're fine. Fuck, it's just mud here. Oh, it's kind of. It's not like bad. You're three-wheeling it. Huh? Your front's like touching on the ground.
A few moments later.
Maybe this isn't a good idea. Yeah, we thought maybe we would take some pictures like right there somewhere. I feel like it would have been cool, but it's a little too steep for the car. Oh, I guess he's gonna try it again. Keep going. Just go. Turn a little bit that way, a little bit.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, you are. You're three-wheeling again. That's kind of sick. Man's flexing. More off-road than most trucks will see in their lifetime.
One eternity later.
About a touch. Yeah, it's good so far. It's about a touch, but it's close. Keep coming.
Finally!
Yeah, you're good now. Rally car.
Yeah, where are we going?
Just anywhere here. Like if anything, turn around and face this way. This is kind of fun. Taking pictures anywhere is fun. Yeah, this is what we're working with. Just field, middle of nowhere. There's a fucking bus there. Bus driver's probably like, what the fuck is going on here? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna take some pictures and we'll be right back. Alright, we're dipping out of here. We got some good pictures there. Oh yeah, when we were there we met two guys that were just talking to us. It's funny.
Fell off. What did they think they did?
Huh?
They thought we were in the ditch.
Oh yeah, they thought we spun out and we're in the ditch. But that was nice of them to come try helping us.
They left the highway.
Yeah, they left the highway from over there. They made nice people anywhere you go. Track day evil.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, I'll edit the pictures and then I'll put them at the end of the video like I did last time. We're gonna do a little track day.
It's not a track, it's a rally stage.
Oh god. Here we go, guys.
Nice and relaxed. Come on, buddy.
I'm not even wearing my seatbelt.
Sharp right! Sharp right! Go, 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 go! Fast lap, don't slow down, Sammy.
actually sent it. I swear that was like
Barely, but
faster. That felt like so much like crazier than last time. Oh shit, fucking field over there, another field. But the sun's kind of down, so like I don't know if the field.
We'll
would be
do
a
it
good
like
spot.
so I'll park right in the middle right here.
Yeah, and then this is perfect because like it's like
The bushes, you know?
yeah.
I probably the car's probably so dirty right now.
No, it's not that dirty. Maybe well the back probably is, but oh no, not bad at all. Yes, let's get some pictures. So we just moved the car a bit around the turn. Man's taking pictures.
Yes, sir.
He's taking over my job.
Yeah. Well, you're still gonna be editing them, so I'm just taking a poop, you know?
Taking a poop.
Yes, sir.
Samir was breaking the car.
I know. Barely.
Samir, you're breaking the car. So we were actually supposed to take rain pictures because it was raining earlier today. That's why like the roads are kind of pooched. But yeah, we wanted some rain pictures because we haven't really got any rain pictures while it's raining, and we were excited for that. And then like soon as we like met up, it stopped raining, sadly. I'm officially the proud owner of this Evo. We're just gonna move it a little bit, park up here, kind of angle this puppy. Thought of an idea. I'll show you guys in a sec. I probably parked it really bad. That's okay.
Let's find out.
Because I feel like if you could get the sky, it'll look really good. And once again, we're moving the car, going into this field, because I like the clouds here. But I also want to shoot this way, because there's like the trees just kind of start here. I feel like that'd be sick. I don't know what you guys think. Looks kind of sick. Hopefully the camera can like capture all that, but we'll see.
Should I turn it off?
Yeah, just turn it off. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna take some more pictures here. All right, we're going downtown. It's getting dark, but
See if we can fucking get there before it gets dark.
yeah, hopefully we can get some good pictures. I'm just worried that it's gonna be too dark because my camera sucks at low light and I didn't bring my tripod. So I think we'll be good. So we'll see you guys when we're in downtown. Okay, we're gonna do a POV now. POV drive.
So loud.
Yeah, fucking echoing so loud.
Sounds so sick.
Yeah, it's so loud.
Being chilling. Fog is kind of sick.
I know, I was thinking about it. Like, imagine we took pictures and got the fog. It looks so sick.
Whoa, whoa, whoa now. Grass.
Is this slippery?
A little bit.
Someone jumped in.
Man's just set up a trap, eh?
It's like the banana peels in Mario Kart.
Basically. Now it's just a boring highway, so
Yeah.
we'll catch up after, you know?
Okay, instead of downtown, we saw a bunch of fog here.
So that's the move now. Yo,
When we're-
construction, I should just hop in one of these and then start whipping it, you know?
I hope the camera.
You turn this bitch right here. fucking 10 fucking times after turn.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
10-point
Evil
turn.
fucking 10-point turn, you know? We'll go the pose, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna smoke my vape, you know, a little bit more, so more fog, guys. Oh no, that's too much. Oh, there's a fucking car coming.
Yo, these are actually kind of sick.
Yeah, there's a car coming. Yo, he can go around.
Yeah, you could go.
I'll be like, yo, go around. Go around. Just go around. Just, yeah, go around, bro.
Bro, I wish I had a GoPro recording you.
What do you mean? Now you gotta get one for yourself so that we can be recording each other. Being stupid, you know? Hey, you want some more fog?
Wow, the sky looks immaculate.
Oh, hold on. A little much?
Oh, a little too much.
A little much. Nah, it's okay.